isn't it? The main tune is this, isn't it? But we always know this piece by this middle tune, which is a more melodious piece, a melodious tune here. So the difference now is instead of going bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, now you got bass, chord, chord, and then bass, bass, chord, chord, bass. So the first beat and the fourth beat is on the chord. And that travels on for a few bars. So you keep one pedal per bar. So therefore, you have this middle C section, which has a very tuneful and nice melody there. And many times, if you hear this piece, you actually know about it from this melody in A flat major. So how do you practice this? You can actually play this whole thing, the A section, like a few times, the whole C section a few times. Figure 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 2, right, and so on. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then repeat. Okay? So about 16 bars of music and then repeats itself. The important thing is keep the bass. So practice it without pedal and then add in the pedal. So the important thing is to make it very lyrical and very beautiful and shaped. Remember, there's a dotted rhythm here before you change harmony. So be aware of that. Alright, and that's the main rhythmic change. Otherwise, it's just crotchets and minims. The whole piece will be in a moderate tempo, as in a march would always be. So. So you won't go too fast, even though it's a 2-2 time, because you have 20 pianos playing together. So it's going to be quite hectic if you go too fast. Especially everybody's standard may be a bit different. So there you have it. Then you go on there, and the last two lines in this second page here we have 1 bar per pedal. F flat, C flat, C natural. So you can hear in this arrangement, you hear the bass notes, just like the trombone, boom, 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 or the tuba, big tuba having that. So you got to imagine you are marching in a group, in a band. So it's very interesting. Now, so A, B, C section, and then we got this D section coming in. It's very important when you practice this, you've got to make sure you count them 1, 2, 3, 4 with the rest in between. 1, 2, rest, yeah? 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can imagine there are two different instruments there, basses, the brass, the drums, we have the trombone and the tuba, boom, 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 and then the trumpets, the clarinets and the flute. The clarinet on the top, the flute on the top, and then you have these bass instruments or the trumpets all on the top, and then the bass, tuba, and the drums and the trombone all at the bottom. So you have that and keep in time. Pedal according to the slurs. And then you got F flat. And then you have all this building up to a huge climax as we move into the... And then again the C section melody coming in there to end the whole piece. So therefore, this whole section now, if you have you can play them with single notes if your hands are too small, and the same issue. So lift up other notes. Okay, so that saves time and make you be able to play with all the other 20 pianos. If you don't work on that, then you find that you'll be left out on the day at the festival where you are the one that's not going to play with the others. And this is such a nice piece, it's so grand, you hear the whole band playing together, and you want to be involved, with all this galore of 20 pianos. And therefore you should, work hard and do it. This festival will help you a lot to improve your sight reading because you have all these different pieces for you to practice within this short 1 month's time. So I expect you to play them just in single notes, alright? And then you go. Alright, so if you can play octaves, play the octaves. Check out the accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, major. So remember your D flats as well. Now this crescendo, F flat. So that one. This phrase starts with anacrusis. And then so you're going to check this carefully. F flat. Alright, F flat stays there. E flat. Chromatic. So it goes to G flat at the end. The whole chromatic scale but go down to G flat. One more time, crescendo, anacrusis, that's your phrase. And now next phrase, again anacrusis start. A natural note with an E flat on the top, G flat, chromatic, and end on A flat. So practice these 3 sequences of phrases here with the anacrusis and the main phrase carefully. I think you can do hands together straight away and just 4 bars, drilling 5 times. No pedal, only pedal the arpeggio or the broken chords, the quavers. Just pedal that and then lift off. Right, one more time, show you again. Pedal, up, staccato, and then pedal. Right here, so you got F flat, and then E flat, A flat, and B flat. So you have this strong, starts on G now, so you can have left hand there, right hand, change chord there, at the end of that, B flat, G, E flat, and A flat. Right hand again. Okay, or you can use left hand. So those 4 quavers can be used with right hand or left hand. Up to you to decide what you want to do. If I use right hand, I have this. If I use left hand, I have this. And then play 2 hands each on 1 D flat at the end. Or right hand. Because you're going to pedal through anyway. Slowing down there before you go into the grandioso section. Okay, so you're going to slow down and then go into grandioso, which means we start with a tempo that is slower as well.